Recipe time with choosing foods for me. Today we're going to make Power Up smoothies. Remember to keep food safe and fight back. Clean, separate, cook, and chill. Clean. Clean your hands. Make sure you do it for 20 seconds. Get between those fingers, around those wrists, in those nails, and then dry and turn off the water. Clean. Remember to clean your surfaces before you make recipes in the kitchen. You can do this by making your own solution with 1/4 teaspoon of non-scented bleach and 2 cups of water. Always remember to rinse your produce before eating it or using it in a recipe. Now let's get ready to make our Power Up smoothie. As you can see here, I've already got everything laid out to get ready to make our Power Up smoothie. Let's read the ingredients. Choose 1/2 cup of fruit. Today I'm going to use bananas and frozen blueberries. Choose 1 cup of base. Low-fat plain yogurt is what I'm going to use today. Then choose 1/2 cup of liquid. Today I'm using low-fat milk. For my fruit, I'm going to slice up a half of banana and use a 1/4 cup of banana. Then add it to my 1/4 cup of blueberries. Youth ages 9 to 11 need 1.5 cups of fruit daily. So this recipe provides 1 of 3 servings for a day. Now let's put all of our ingredients together. Putting in my 1/2 cup of low-fat milk. Then I put in my 1/2 cup of fruit, blueberries and bananas. Then let's add our base, which is our yogurt. Mix until smooth. This Power Up smoothie is an excellent source of calcium and vitamin C. Now pour and enjoy. You can find this recipe in the 4-H EFNEP curriculum. Foods for me.